Okay, let's try, guys. Good morning, guys. I think it's around 9 a.m. Kakatapos ko lang mag-half bath. And nagbihis na din ako kasi wala akong ibang pajama or damit na pwede gamitin. So, ito na. Toast. And then I also have noodles. Oh, I also got this yesterday. Yeah, this banana bread. I don't like to eat rice kasi every morning, so I always have bread with me. So, today is our shopping day. I'm planning to buy a pair of sneakers. Sana makahanap ako though, kasi mahirap ako makahanap ng size usually kapag sa ibang bansa. Oh, ito din yung try namin yesterday. Okay guys, so tapusin ko lang to. Tapusin ko itong breakfast ko. And then mag-aayos na ako para makapag-shopping na kami today. Let's quickly do my makeup as in super bilis lang. Para lang if ever mag-picture ako, medyo maayos ang itsura ko. I'm gonna curl my lashes. Eyebrows. This is from Mersey. Actually, baka hindi pala siya makita kasi baka magkap ako. This is our merch. If you guys don't know, our PN merch. Baka magkap pala ako. So, walang sense yung paglagay ko na ito. I'm going to use this Fit Me Fresh tint. And I'm going to use this macaron shade from PN Beauty. Ta-da! Okay, let's go! Looking for sambas. They also have this black samba. But I'm getting the white one. Feeling ko mas masusuot ko siya every day. So I'm just gonna get that. Got it! Hair, yeah.
2 in 1?
No, just one. Thank you. Okay, I found it. Ito siya, guys. Ito yung before ko, yung original. They also have the blush. Gusto ko din matry itong cherry siguro. Or floral. Yeah, I'll go with this one. This is just $33. We got the goods! Hi guys, good morning. It's currently 9:10. Back to school na. Or I'm back in college. I'm having coffee right now. Kasi hindi na ako sanay magising ng super aga ever since na nagpakasyon kami or like nag-term break kami. Pero later baka mag-order ako ng matcha. Anyway, since it's our third term na, schedule ko this term actually same lang like last term. I have 11 a.m. classes and until 7:30 p.m. ako. And I'm happy na I got all of my prio profs. I can't wait na ma-start ulit yung term and meet my friends again. Since third term na namin to, this is also my last term as a frosh. I think it's been a while since nag-vlog ako, so I can't wait na mag-film ulit sa campus and show you guys what usually happens in a day. So I have 2 packages with me right now. Open ko muna sila bago ako umalis. For some reason, mas marami akong kinailangan this term compared last term na parang laptop lang kailangan ko and nakasurvive na ako buong term. But this time, I had to buy books. I bought myself ito yung textbook namin for Coblo 2, The Law on Partnerships and Private Corporations. Kasing kapal na din ata yung book ko during Oblicon. Grabe. Memories. I remember yung mga days na nagpulit ako for Koblo. I also ordered yung book namin for Akob 2. Hindi pa siya dumadating though, so I have to wait for that and look for an e-copy, I guess, for the meantime. I'm gonna use this bag for today. My book, I have this dotted notebook from Shopee. Meron kasi ako isang prof na handwritten notes lang yung pwede. Ay, ito na lang yung gagamitin ko. Di pa naman ako sanay mag-handwritten notes, pero I guess practice ko na ulit para magsulat. I also have this mini notepad na dotted din. Ewan ko, super love ko kapag dotted yung mga notebook compared sa mga lines or kaya yung blank lang. I have 2 wallets kasi ito para sa coins and then ito para sa bills and cards. Para hindi mabigat, super ayoko kasi pag super bigat ng wallet. And minsan nilagay ko siya sa pocket ko. So ayoko ng super bigat. So hiniwalay ko na lang. Wala pa naman siya naman. So ayan. So, yun, that's what's in my bag. I forgot to show you guys this one. I got the CZUR Fancy S Pro. Ayan. Kasi, I don't know if ako lang or if kayo din. Pero, kapag nag-aaral ako, gusto ko yung marami akong nakitang devices. Like, I have my laptop and then my iPad. And this is another device na gagamitin ko if ever. So, this one kasi guys, pwede siya gawing book scanner, webcam, document scanners, ganun. As in anything na need mo i-scan. Like if you have a physical copy of it, pwede mo na siya gawing digital, which is so cool and so convenient. So, ganito lang siya. Para lang siyang lamplight. Adjust mo siyang ganito kasi yung camera niya is nandito. Like, kunwari, ito yung book mo. Tatapat mo yung camera here. And then, scan na niya. If may need kang i-record habang ginagawa, you can actually use this. And if gusto mo mag-stream also, pwede mo din to gamitin. So, ayan. Since I need to study a few articles, set up ko lang ulit ito. I'll turn on the light. Okay. It's currently 10:49 p.m. I just ordered iced chai tea from Starbucks kasi mag-aaral ako later, so kailangan ko ng kape tonight. This is my usual drink if I really need to wake myself up. And then of course, change to oat milk. The best. This is the last part of the vlog kasi I will be doing a Hong Kong haul. Mini Hong Kong haul lang. Kasi most ng mga naging pasalubong namin na pamigay na, nakain na. So, ito na lang yung feeling ko interesting na ipakita sa vlog. So, bibilisan ko lang din kasi mag-aaral pa ako after nito. I got new sneakers from Adidas. I've been wanting this pair for so long pero super hirap niya hanapin in the Philippines. Nung nakita ko ito sa Hong Kong, kinuha ko na talaga siya kasi I don't know, I feel like it's such a classic pair. Since white naman to, I feel like super dali niya lang gamitin. Anyway, this is the Adidas Samba. Actually, I was debating if I should get itong white or yung black kasi super ganda din ng black. Pero since we have na yung parang ganong type of shoes na Adidas din, I decided to go with this one. So yeah, I just got this pair. Okay, next, this one. So we went sa parang grocery mart ng Hong Kong and then bumili din kami ng mga chocolate doon, Kit Kat, ganun. Pero I found this matcha powder. I don't know how to pronounce this, pero got-teacher niya, guys. And sabi din sa TikTok, super sarap daw nito. So yun, I can't wait to try this kasi super hilig ko rin magtimpla ng matcha sa house. If wala ako sa campus, ganun. So, and then we went to Sasa, if you guys saw. Lagi ko tong ina-eyebilhin kapag nasa Hong Kong kasi for some reason, available lagi yung iba't ibang scent nito. So, ito yung Batiste Dry Shampoo. This is my go-to dry shampoo as of the moment. I mean, I had one like last year pa and super nagustuhan ko siya. For those days na I need volume, kapag di ako maliligo, this is the key. Kasi nagbibigay talaga siya ng volume sa hair and super bango niya. So, I tried the blush scent. I'm pretty sure meron siya sa Shopee, so I will link it below if you guys wanna try it. We also got itong Clean It Zero na makeup remover, cleansing balm. So, ganito siya kalaki. Kaya super worth it niya bilhin kasi ilang beses mo na ito magagamit. Yung ganito ko actually hindi pa ubos, pero I just bought one para lang safe. And then may ganito din. And then meron din silang binigay na freebie. Kuya, ang cute! Ang liit niya. This is recommended talaga to use kasi it's a balm. So, parang hindi siya super harsh sa skin kapag nagre-remove ka ng makeup, ganun. So, and then, we also got perfumes there sa Sasa. This is the Versace Man. $750, pero naging $450 na lang siya. Great deal. And then, we also got one from Dior. This is the Miss Dior, our favorite scent. Kasi super bango niya and long-lasting talaga siya. Anyway, so ayun lang naman yung feeling ko interesting sa vlog. So, yun na ipapakita ko sa Hong Kong haul. I'm just gonna rest muna ako for a bit and then mag-aaral na ako. And, yeah. Annyeong. 어제까지도 우리는 같이 있었고 이제는 네가 떠나도 I don't care about it all. 어제까지도 우리는 같이 있었고 이제는 네가 떠나도 I don't care about it all. 어젯밤과 함께 떠난 게 넌 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아. 우리 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아 보이는 거 알잖아.